Hello my dear students. This video is an initiative by Nutan Academy to promote learning. Before we begin, let's keep our book and pen handy. Also, you must pause the video where it is required. So, are you ready? Let's get started. What are the operations used in math? Kindly note them down in your books. So, are you ready? They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. This video is on multiplication, that is, repeated addition of the same number. Today, we will be learning interesting ways to multiply and have fun with math. These ways of multiplication will help you get the answer quickly and can be used as a means to verify your answers. So let's learn a few tricks of multiplication and have fun with math. Are you all ready? Multiplying mentally. So if we multiply 3021 with 3, the product to it will be 9063. So we take the multiplicand 3021 and multiply it with the multiplier 3. I am sure this is the method applied by most of you. All you did was multiply right to left, starting with 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 0, well, 0, 3 times 3, 9. Well, it is correct for multiplying using steps. But if we are multiplying mentally, we go left to right. So we begin by 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 2, 6, and 3 times 1, 3. Finally getting the product as 9063. It can be challenging if done mentally. Remember, this trick works only when the multiplier is a single digit number. Let me show you how it's done. We write the multiplication statement and start with the multiplication. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 2, 6, and 3 times 1, 3. 9063. Math is a challenge to your mind, and that is what makes it fun, isn't it? There is nothing better than working on a difficult puzzle and finally getting a breakthrough. Let's take another example. Are you all ready? Let's see if you can get this right. 51,231 times 3. Are you ready? Here we go. 3 times 5. The first step. 3 times 5. The answer will be 15. Step 2. 3 times 1. 3. 3 times 2. 6. 3 times 3. 9. And finally 3 times 1. 3. Getting us the answer as 1,53,693. All we did was multiply left to right. Did you get this right? Good job. You're getting better at this. Shall we solve a few more problems? Let's take another example. 61,413 times 4. Now, I am giving you a very important hint, so you better listen quickly. The key to solving this is regrouping. As 4 times 4, the answer will be 16. Let's use this hint and get the answer right. 4 times 6 gives us 24. 4 times 1 gives us 4. 4 times 4 now gives us 16. Well, you can't write 16. So we write 6 and 1 will be regrouped. 4 plus 1 gives us 5. Perfect. 4 times 1 gives us 4. And finally 4 times 3 gives us 12. And again it will be regrouped. 4 plus 1, 5. Did you get this right? 2,45,652. After practicing these problems, you will be able to visualize the regrouping digits. Remember, this is just a fun way to multiply mentally. All you have to do is keep practicing. It is not always easy, but what good adventure has no challenges? Most of the fun is in learning new things, mastering new methods, and solving new puzzles. Well, now it's time to learn another exciting method of multiplication, the multiplication of 11. Students, you must pause the video and keep the answer ready where required. Are you ready? Let's take another example. 63 will be the multiplicand and 11 will be the multiplier. All we have to do is multiply 6 times 1, which will give us 6 in the hundreds place. One times 3 gives us 3 in the ones place. And now for the magic. 6 plus 3 gives us 9 in the tens place. 693. So, how did you like it? Easy, isn't it? Let's take another example. 32 times 11. Let's do it together. 3 times 1, 3 in the hundreds place. 3 plus 2 gives us 5 in the tens place. And 2 times 1 gives us 2 in the ones place. How easy was that? Did you get it right? Well, now it's time to put your thinking cap on, as you might have to regroup numbers when the digits are greater. Challenging, isn't it? Who's up for the challenge? 78 times 11. We begin by writing 7 times 1, 7 in the hundreds place. Next step, 8 times 1, 8 in the ones place. All you have to do is use that magic. 7 plus 8 gives us 15, where 5 will be written in the tens place and 1 will be regrouped. 7 plus 1 makes it 8. Getting the answer as 858. Did you get this right? Well, if you didn't, there's another chance for you to solve it and get it right. 57 times 11. Are you ready? 5 times 1, 5. Now we add. 7 plus 5 gives us 12. So we make that 5 into 6. Write 2 in the tens place and 7 in the ones place. 627. You will be able to visualize these problems and the answers only with practice. So keep practicing. Now, finally, the easiest trick to remember the table of 19. Are you ready? We begin by writing the table. 9 times 1 and so on. Now we write the odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and 19. And now for the magic, we write 9 and 0. So that is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And there you have it, the table of 19. That was pretty fascinating, wasn't it? Well, it is rightly said, the only way to learn math is to do math. So I hope you practice these multiplication tricks and have fun with math. Thank you and happy calculating.